Non-duality is often shortened to mean not two. What are the two things which non-duality is not? They are self and other. It's a negation of the self-other duality. I believe this gets to the heart of what the term non-duality means. Having said that, non-duality is also commonly used in another way. In addition to meaning not two, it can also mean not many, or that there are not many things. Although these two meanings might sound similar, strictly speaking, they are different. In this second instance, the term non-duality is being used to draw your attention to the absence of the many, or the multiplicity of things, rather than to emphasize the absence of the two, or self and other. Therefore, in this second instance, perhaps non-dual or non-duality would be more clearly rendered as non-multiple or non-multiplicity. In any case, I want to point out both of these different possible meanings of non-duality for you, as you will come across them often. Fundamentally, the non-separation experience of full enlightenment entails both of these kinds of non-duality.